Why is it important to wake up early? Why do most of the successful people wake up as early as 4 am? There must be some secret behind this. Do you want to know that secret? Then watch out for this entire video. Hi everyone, this is Darshit Shah in front of you, and in this video I'm going to share with you the secrets, the power that you get once you start waking up early. Now the first thing is that your subconscious mind is highly active at this time. So it is very much impressionable at this time and it soaks any information that is exposed to it. So that is the reason why whatever you hear, listen, see, within first 20 minutes after you get up sets the tone of the entire day. So it is highly advisable that as soon as you get up, you just devote your time into some meditation, some spiritual activity, some affirmations, or you can just quietly sit down somewhere and do some breathing exercises. But do not watch out for phones or any other such stuff, which can give you a stress. But if you start your day this way, it gives you a very powerful start to your day. At the same time, between 4 am to 6 am, the energies in the environment are very powerful. But I know most of you do not know what it is like to wake up at 4 am because you are very busy sleeping or hitting out the snooze button multiple times. I know many of them who do not go to bed by 4 am. Can you imagine that? If you wake up early, you have the advantage over others. Now, if you have a defined purpose and goal in your life, you'll never need an alarm clock to wake up early. Like our ex-president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said that dreams are not the one which you see in your sleep. Dreams are the one which do not allow you to sleep. My dear friends, if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, your life will be easy. If not now, definitely in future. So you decide for yourself. You choose for yourself that whether you want to be a whiner, complainer, or you want to get up and take responsibility of life. The greatest benefit or the greatest blessing that the human being has over the other animals is we have the ability to choose. So every one of us, including you and me, have the ability to choose whether we want to sleep or get up and take responsibility of our lives. What are you gaining by sleeping in? Nothing. But what will you accomplish by waking up early in the morning? Everything that you are looking for in your life. Now you must be wondering, who wakes up so early? Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, wakes up early. Richard Branson, the owner of Virgin Group of Companies, wakes up early. Amitabh Bachchan wakes up early. Virat Kohli wakes up early. Akshay Kumar wakes up early. What about you? What time do you wake up? I've heard lots of excuses from the people that I wish I had enough time for this, or I do not have enough time in the day to do all this. My question to all of them is, what are you doing with the time that you have? Mark Zuckerberg has 24 hours in a day. Sachin Tendulkar had 24 hours in a day. Virat Kohli has 24 hours in a day. Amitabh Bachchan has 24 hours in a day. Tim Cook has 24 hours in a day. I have 24 hours in a day. You have 24 hours in a day. Question is, what are we doing with those 24 hours? That is the difference, because 24 hours is what everybody has in a day. It's what we do with those 24 hours that makes the entire difference. If you really want to become successful, wake up at 4 am, or else you can keep sleeping till 10 am or beyond, and you may find yourself at the same position which you are right now, even 5 years down the line. But I think I was talking to someone who wants to become really successful, super successful, who wants to reach the pinnacle of success. Then, my dear friends, listen to this advice once. So, what you do is just for one day, wake up at 4 a.m. and see how do you feel, what you can accomplish. Then, wake up at 4 a.m. on the second day and just see what do you feel, what do you experience. Then, do it for a week, then do it for 21 days. My dear friends, just do it and see the changes that it can bring in your life. Challenge yourself to become better. If you want to become a billionaire, millionaire, CEO, or whatever field you have chosen, you want to become successful in that, do one favor to yourself. Wake up early morning every day and give yourself that advantage over the world. Guys, I can tell you from my personal experience, I was not a person who used to wake up early in the morning. But one fine day, that shift happened in my mind. I started up waking up early, and last, I think, 8 to 9 years, I can vouch upon it that there has not been a single day on which I would have woken up after sunrise. And this has brought a tremendous change in my life. This has brought a tremendous change in my career, in my personality, in my confidence level. I cannot tell you what kind of changes I've gone through. And now waking up early is so natural to me. Even without alarm, I can do that. But for those who are not used to it, you just start with small steps, right? What you can do is, even if you are not comfortable with waking up at 4 a.m., you can just wake up 15 minutes before your usual waking up time. Do it for a week, then 30 minutes before, do it for a week, then 45 minutes. Do this thing continuously till you reach at least 4 or 4:30 a.m. and see the transformation that it brings in your life. So, if this video has brought some change in you, in your mindset, has added some value to you, do like, comment, share. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and so that you can get my future updates. So this is Darshit Shah signing off. All the best and see you soon.